Everyone, welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Uma Kajeni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about reality star Ulondi London ex-boyfriend. Ulondi London dated Uspamandla Mbonga shortly after a divorce yakhe nomyeni wakhe and also a baby daddy yakhe. Guys, Uspamandla, guys, there were allegations that he was doing about izinto wrong, a lot of wrong things. He was hijacking cars and he was also into drugs, guys. Sadly, that was Uspamandla Mbonga, but he was shot today SNT club and rushed to SNT hospital. Unfortunately, that is where umphefumulo wakhe uphume khona, but akusuye kuphela uDutshuliwe there eklapini. It was him nama bodyguards wakhe, guys. We know that Uspamandla noLondi relationship yabo trended for a very long time, because there was a time whereby Uspamandla gifted a BMW, white BMW, to Ulondi London, and guys, there were allegations that that BMW, it was a stolen car. Guys, I even saw abanye abantu, they were saying Spamandla was involved in a lot of wrong things. And guys, remember, there's a time when Ulondi London bought Uspamandla's car, and it's so sad that leso sikhali wamthengela sona yiso samsusa endleleni. And now a lot of people, they are saying Ulondi London maybe didn't know which Uspamandla uyenzana. I also feel as if Ulondi London didn't know umsebenzi Uspamandla uyenzayo, but maybe she knew that Uspamandla uthanda isikhali lesi esimudlulise emhlabeni. Guys, I don't want to name it. So that is why there was a time where Ulondi London posted a picture where he gifted to Uspamandla ngaleyo nto leyo isibhamu, guys. So rest in peace to Uspamandla, even though a lot of people, they are happy that Uspamandla akasekho emhlabeni. And there are even a tweet, I saw a guy who posted ukuthi he is so happy that Uspamandla akasekho emhlabeni. Last year this guy uye wamhijacker wamthathela imoto. You see, guys, ukuthi indlela uyiphila emhlabeni indlela ozohamba ngayo emhlabeni, or indlela ohambisa ngayo abantu emhlabeni indlela ozohamba ngayo emhlabeni. Just imagine this guy engathi akakaze waboshwa, akakaze, like, he never paid for amasins wakhe, but today he is no more. Someone can say I wenze kahle wahamba, but the sad part ukuthi mawushonile, I believe ukuthi mawushonile awuva ubuhlungu. Abantu bashiya emhlabeni abeva ubuhlungu, you understand? And I guess now bazo-investigate amanye amabhizinisi wakhe and ezinye izinto anazo. And the sad part ukuthi ifamily kokose zithathwele. Just imagine uhleli lapho thinking that your husband is working, he's a businessman, kanti uyenza le business engekho emthethweni. That is sad, guys. And I just wanted to say condolences to a family, and if he was really into that business, guys, makahambe ke soyobonana naye emathuneni. Ayikho enye into esizoyisho, guys, because indlela ohambisa ngayo abantu indlela ohamba ngayo. That is the only thing esingayisho. As from me, uMakajeni, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.